Okay, I have my Puma rear door card here, and I want to install this net. I'm going to install it right here. That's where it's supposed to go. Let's go for it. Okay, this is how it comes. Comes in a small little plastic bag. These are little covers that go into these holes. Set this off to the side. Comes with screws. Should be simple enough. It's all about getting the holes lined up, right? Because this, you can open it up like that. So I guess you gotta open it to exactly where you want it. Mark the holes, drill, screw, and you're done. Should be really fast. Let's see. So it's all about lining it up right where you want the bottom of it. If you wanted to, you could probably make sure that this is level when it comes to this area right here, and drill that hole, and then pull this one. Make sure that this one is level with this side. Mark and drill those, and then do the same thing on the opposite side, and then you're done. Because you definitely don't want it to be like that. Let me see what I'm gonna do. But you get the gist. Now, let's see. Oh, I see. It has like some memory wire on the inside. That makes sense. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be great. It's gonna look fantastic. It's just getting it in there, getting it right, getting it centered up. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna mark this one, drill and install that one. And then straighten this one out, mark, drill, install that one, and then do the same thing on this one. Let's do it. All right, so I got one of the screws, and I got 1/16 drill bit, much smaller. Figured this screw will make its way through that hole without cracking the area around it. It has at least something to go on. I'm pretty much happy with where it is gonna be there. So I'm gonna go ahead and I had it in reverse. Yep, that's in there. Now I want to pull these out to where I feel it's straight, and then drill the two little remaining holes. See, that's dangerous. Once I have this one on the left straight, I can let go of this one as long as this doesn't move, which I don't believe it has. Wait, no. Yeah. Let me pause this and get somebody to help. Very nice. Really nice. All right. I want to leave this one out because this one was crushed like this. I'll look to see if I have another one of these. All right, I found another one. So now we're all complete. I put a piece of Dynamat Extreme on top of the two screws, and one here, and then a strip of Noiko, the soft insulation. And yeah, you can still feel them, but you'll be stabbed a lot less. So that's the back of it. That's the front of it. And for those of you who have never seen the inside of a Puma door or thinking about putting a Puma door on your Defender, anything from I believe 83 all the way to 2016, the Puma door will fit, and it will be quite the improvement. It's a much heavier door and it's all galvanized outside and in. Let me show you what the inside of it looks like. Okay. Now, I am going to make a separate video just showing the inside of this door in detail for those that don't want to sit through the whole video of what I just did. So let me cut it here. there's that. I just got to put back the handle with the Torx screws that are on there. Okay, and there we are. Nice.